Greetings one and all, good morning. Just out here, the Sunday morning, decided to come out, do a little walk, little hike. Nice bench. And it's all downhill. I guess we're getting a workout today, so sweet. So let's see. Pets must be unleashed, yada yada, no off-leash pets allowed. Following are prohibited, vehicles outside designated parking lot, which is just on the street. Disposal of household chemical waste, fireworks, weapons. Camping, alcoholic beverages. No camping. Yeah, give me a break. So, wear a mask? Seriously? Like, we're outside. That is really... That's a lot of downhill, I'll tell you that. Guess I'm going to be sweating on this one. I didn't know it was going to be so much downhill, but I guess we're going to get to it. I made it down without falling, knock on wood. So, it actually wasn't that far down, but here's the trail. So what it was is I camped last weekend with my bro. Videos are on the way, or actually they should be up, so I'll link them in the description. But I went to visit my parents yesterday because I hadn't seen them in a while, so I thought, you know, I should quit being a terrible son and go visit. So I did that, and then today I figured, well, I'll get out and put a little trail time in, do a little exercise, move the legs around. Tell you what, getting back is going to be a it's basically all downhill. So I'll be sweating it up. It's alright though. I've actually never been on this trail before. I found it on alltrails.com. And I was looking for something easy to moderate. I think this is only about 2.5 miles, so it's not very long. So, of course, thought I'd bring you guys along. We got a little off-trail trail. Not sure where that goes. Camera will never do it justice, but basically here's my view. So, I don't know what's down in the valley there. Probably houses. Looks like there's a little viewpoint right there. So, get back to it. Oh, we have a sign too. Check the sign out. And then maybe we'll hit the viewpoint real fast. There we go. Let's see. So we're in the May Creek Trestle. I guess there was railways up here. Let's see. We got the old map here. Where's the you are here? Huh. You are here. I think this trail, I think it just goes Bourne lake. I said it was 2.5 miles, so. Well, I guess that's 2,000 feet, so. You know, maybe pretty close. I've been here before, Coal Creek. There's a trail up here, Coal Creek Park, and then there's a trail that goes all the way up to Cougar Mountain, which I've hiked a lot. So I was trying to find new places to go. May Creek Trestle. Now if I'm here, did I miss it? Or is it behind me? Or maybe I'm in it. I don't know. Let's check the viewpoint. There's a sign here. So it says this is Trestle, so the picture showed a huge railroad like juncture, or a big railroad bridge. Actually, it's right here on the sign. I don't know if we'll see that on the trail though. I hope that's showing up. Here's my view. So camera will never do it justice, but that's what I'm seeing. Then I get a bench here, which I made memory of Peter Christian Wesley Johnson, Eagle Creek Project by Scout 499. Respect. So yeah, I'll probably come here and dump my pack and show you what I brought. I didn't bring a tripod, but I'll figure something out. Maybe I'll handheld it, but we'll see. Let's get to walk. So hey, I want to do a real quick shout out for my brother Chris Bentley. Been getting out there doing a bunch of hikes. He's over across the pond. Much respect to your brother. Also Expeditionary Johnny. He's been posting some hiking videos. So I took a little inspiration from them. Got out doing a little trail time. So find inspiration where you can. Get out on the trail. I mean, I'm fat and I can get out and walk, so there's really no reason that you can't get out and walk as well, even if it's just around the block. So get back to it. Because I didn't bring a tripod, these down trees here, they make an excellent base. I just set my camera right here. So, thank you, tree. Appreciate the assist. It's actually a pretty nice trail. I've just been walking along. Ooh, I think we see a bat box. I think that's definitely a bat box. Pretty sure. Right here next. Or it could be. Oh, it could be a birdhouse. What do you think? So you can zoom in on it. Could be a birdhouse, could be bats. I don't know, it's hard to tell now. I don't know if I got it in video, but I did take 2 pictures. Because basically I'm looking right up at the sun, so I think it was obscuring my vision. So, might have been a birdhouse. Who knows? Oop. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for holding stuff.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Joggers. Because I saw that they were running, I immediately stopped and stepped off the trail so they wouldn't have to slow down for me. I'm just walking, so it's easier for me to step aside. And I just cannot get this camera straight today. I feel like I'm constantly filming the ground and not straight ahead because I had the camera tilted too far. It's a rookie mistake. Looks like we got some uphill. Which means we'll have a little downhill on the way back. Sweet. I may have to stop for a drink here at some point. I'm starting to get thirsty. We got ourselves a gnome. How you doing, buddy? Watching over the trail. Appreciate it.